All right, everybody, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration about how to use an Invacare Rea Azalea Assist or any other model. They're all the same. So, first you want to ensure that the brakes are engaged both sides, because when you put the pressure down, I mean, this is if you're using it without somebody in it. When somebody's in it, obviously their weight stops it from moving most of the time, but for demonstration purposes, let's put it into gear, well, I'm about to say gear, because I've dealt with so many mobility scooters, but that's just put it on the brakes. So, you've got two things. You've got two brakes, which is obviously your brakes. They're independent, so if you want to stop one side, whatever. With regards to we've got two hydraulic cable activated, they're almost actuators, but without the electrics. Gas struts, however you want to say, just pull the lever, then lean. Now, as you can see, because nobody's in it, as I said, it's going to cause a bit of difficulty, but we push it down, and obviously that can be at this height here, wherever you need it to be. That's how you get into that position. Now, that's just the one lever, and if you look, I'm not sure whether you can see it from the angle, but here, you can see which one's for the back and which one's for the whole chair tilt. So that's your tilt. Bring that back up, and your other lever is simply for your backrest. It's as simple as that. There's nothing complicated to it. You know, your headrest is fully adjustable here and here by hand. You don't need any tools. They do come with Allen keys, most of the Azaleas, so you won't need to worry about that anyway. Super simple chairs. That's why they sell so well. In regards to the footplate, this one's not going to be like yours, I would say, because this has got the dual footplate on. I've not seen many of these, but it's as simple as just, again, very simple. Lift the lever, or go down, sorry. So now the lever's down, you'll feel when it clicks. This will fully adjust now, because I'll have to do it both sides. Because of the dual footplate, you won't have to do that, but you can see the lever is now adjustable, and this can come way up. And that click, and that can hold in place. And usually, if you've got a leg injury of some sort, you can have independent leg rests, which makes it really useful. But now, then again, lean them up, and you can see it's from 1 to 7 different heights there. And it's as simple as that. There's nothing more to it. Something I may as well tell you about this, because why not? Because a lot of people ask about this. They say, what are these? What do these adjust? What are these? It's as simple as that. It's to stop you from tipping backwards. So, obviously, you don't want these too low because they'll be scraping on curves and things. But these are adjustable to 5 different positions. So simply pop that in, click it, pop it in, click it. Depending on the height of the person and the weight, you can adjust these to your standard there, and that will come down to push it back up. And that's what that's for. The headrest is just a case of undoing that, and that does your height. And it's obviously, as you can see there's a limiter. That's a simple Allen key. I believe it's a 5mm, might be 6, but I think it's a 5mm Allen key. That just, if you found the perfect height of your chair, you can put that on there. So if that comes loose, you can adjust it. But if not, just take that bolt a little bit out, push it all the way up. That'll be fine. Super simple chairs to use. Great chairs. I've never had many complaints with these. They're perfect for the use. I see them all the time when I'm out. Very useful chairs. Okay, so yeah, we'll always pretty much have one of these in stock. I always try and keep 2 or 3 in stock of the Rea Azalea. Sometimes get the talls, sometimes get the smalls, but most of the time we get the Assist, which is just the Assist or the Transit, which is a 40mm base, which is as simple as that. It's the regular size. But to be honest with you, we've had people that are 6'3", 6'4", even fit into an Assist without an issue. So the tall is if you're very tall, or you just want to get the tall because why not? The tall is a little bit more expensive. So yeah, it's as simple as that. And the smalls are also in demand, but to be honest with you, the only difference really is the seat width goes down to 16 inches instead of 17, so it's an inch difference. It's not that much, but you know, take from it what you will. If you want to buy one of these, refurbish, www.mobility and then the letter x.co.uk. We'll have one. We'll have one. We do free UK delivery nationwide. I can ship them abroad if you want me to. A lot of hassle for these because they're quite popular, but if you can't get them where you're from, let me know. We can arrange to ship it over. Not an issue. Anyway, folks, take care, and we'll see you in the next one.